Hi guys, in this video we will show you how to make shorts with one free AI tool fast for a Faceless YouTube channel. And by the end of this video, we will be able to create shorts like this. And what's great about this is that we will only be using one AI tool in order for us to create this YouTube shorts. We are in with the use of Flicky, the AI platform that we'll be using. It automatically generates the voiceover, the videos, the text or the script, and all you have to do is just give a certain topic for Flicky to generate. So let's begin with signing up with our Flicky account so that we will be able to create or generate YouTube shorts already. And now that we are signed in, this is the homepage for your Flicky account. You can see there are sample videos, and all you have to do is go to Files and just click on New File right here. All you have to do is name the title of your new file. So let's say, just for example, this is for YouTube Shorts. Let's just name it Shorts, and then you have the option to change what language will be used. And then just simply click on Generate. Make sure you choose video so that Flicky will create a video for you, not only audio files. So here, now that we have the new file started, all you have to do is look into this video here. There's an option wherein you can manually choose the voiceover, you can manually choose the video that will be incorporated into your file or into your project here with Flicky, and you also have the option to type in or write the script for the video that you'll be creating, but that would take a long time. And what we need to do is have or create a YouTube Shorts with AI, where all you have to do is go to convert and simply click on idea to video. All you have to do here is simply write a short description about the video that you want the AI to create for you. So let's say facts about dolphins. And then, as you can see at the bottom part of this idea box, is that you have the option whether what type of video Flicky will create, whether short, medium, or long videos. And here you can even choose what style. So for example, this is an informational video, you can choose informational. But since you want your audience to be engaged into your video, it's best for you to use explainer. Okay, once you're done here, just click on submit. And then now that it's processing, you just need for it to wait until it has fully loaded and generated the videos for you. This may take a while. As you can see, it has been processed successfully, and you will see later on the left side of the screen that Flicky will automatically generate, or the AI will automatically generate the scenes for the videos. And there is already the script as well. They already added the layout or what videos are used, and it automatically generates the voiceover as well. So when you click on the play on the preview pane here, it will show you, or it will have a preview on how the video looks like and how the text or how the voiceover is being processed. So all you have to do here is just simply click on play, and then if there's a video that does not connect to that specific paragraph or a line for your scene, you can definitely change the video that's being used for this project that we are creating. So here, let's try to change the voiceover. You can see that there's a lot of voice selections that you can choose from. And all you have to do, since this is a free plan, we can just use these videos or voiceovers rather that has no star icon on it, so that you'll be able to use that without any subscriptions needed. But you can listen to their voices here just by clicking the speaker icon, and then you can even choose the voice style on this part of this options. You can have angry, cheerful, happy, friendly, depending on what voice you're looking for. You can even choose what gender, what dialect. You can change the language as well. So here you can choose Ashley, you can choose Aria, but as you can see with the star icon, it needs you to upgrade to a new plan so that you'll be able to have unlimited access to all of the voices. So once you have chosen a voice, make sure that you click apply to all scenes and then just click on continue. And there you will see that the voiceover, instead of Sarah, it has now been changed to Ashley. So when you play the video here, the voiceover is already changed. And some parts of the video here, I'd like to add a few details. For example, on this first scene, I would like to add a layer, or since this is for YouTube Shorts, make sure the format is portrait 9 by 16. You can go to settings on the upper right corner here of the screen, and you'll be able to modify that. You can change the video. You can click on the layout and click on the video specifically. Then you have the option to choose a video. You can search on that specific topic. So let's say dolphins. And then you have options to choose from. But some of the videos here are only accessible once you have upgraded to a new plan. But you can definitely choose whatever videos is being provided right here. So let's say we have this. And then here we want to add we can even add a layer into the videos that we have. Let's say on this scene 3, it's talking about a pods, or what you call a group of dolphins. So we will need a photo that has, or that shows a group or a bunch of dolphins on the ocean so that it would be more relatable. Most of the videos are very much um, applicable already, or it's very relatable to the topic. But if you want to modify or give your own touch into this video, you can definitely edit that into your own styles or into your own liking so that it would be easier and so that you'll be able to have control as well on how the video would look like. Here, so for example, on this part, you can actually add a layer. Click on add layer here on the scene and you can add picture in picture. With this, you just click on this box right here and then you can add a GIF or an image. And then, for example, we will be talking about intelligence. So since we already have a video of the dolphin, we can look for a GIF here so that we can incorporate that into our video. So let's say we have this image of man right here pointing to his brain. So you can modify what is the format, whether landscape, portrait, or square. This is where you can position the video or the clip as well. And then you can modify the size, whether you want it small, medium, or large. So once you're done right here, you can just play the video and it will automatically be saved into that specific scene. All the settings that you have done. So you have the option to apply this to similar layers, but since you want this specifically for this video clip or this scene, you can just leave it as is. And then when you play it, it will be part of the scene that we are working on. And that's basically it. So once you're done with all the edits that you have, you just click on export. And then once you click on export right here, you just need to wait for this to fully load. Once this is fully processed right here, you will have the option to download the video into your device. And now that we have completed the video, before we reveal the final output, we kindly request you to please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us.
Facts about dolphins. Meet dolphins, the intelligent marine creatures. They're not just adorable, they're also incredibly smart. In fact, their brains are larger than humans relative to body size. Dolphins are social animals. They live in groups called pods, communicating through a series of clicks and whistles. Their bonds are strong and they even help injured or ill members. They're also great athletes. Dolphins can reach speeds of 20 miles per hour and jump up to 15 feet in the air. They love to play and often can be seen riding waves. Dolphins have a
And that's basically it. That's how you'll be able to create YouTube Shorts fast using Flicky. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye!